Hello everyone, welcome to the word lessons. Today I will introduce some useful function of the table. So, what is table? A table includes several elements, such as title, rows, columns, and cells. The vertical line of cells means columns. The horizontal line of cells means row. So this is a 6 times 8 table. It means that there are 6 columns and 8 rows in this table. Each square on the table means cells, and on the top of the table is title. When do we use table? Table is a useful function to design your page or recording and representing your data. You can make a calendar by insert a table, or create a profile, or create a class timetable. Which one is more useful? I think class timetable is more useful. Before we start the class, you can open the learning material in the Word folder at the desktop and choose the Course 4 document. At Course 4.1, I will show you how to insert the table. And there are 2 ways to insert table. One of the methods is that click the Insert tab, click the table ribbon, and move your mouse over the squares of the number of columns and rows you want. Then click. Another way to insert table is that click the Insert tab and click the table ribbon and select Insert Table option. Then type the number at the table size. And click OK button. Then the table appears. At the course 4.2, I will show you how to select the table. How to select the text in the table. Click and drag through the text you want. How to select the cells. First, put your mouse in the left corner on the cells, and you will find that the mouse icon turns into a small black arrow. Then you click the cells you want to select. How to select a row. Just like select a cells, when your mouse icon turns into a black arrow, click and drag through the cells you want to select. Or, there is an easier way. Put your mouse at the left-hand side of the row you want to select, and your mouse icon will turn into a white arrow. Then click. How to select a column. You can also select a whole column by click and drag through the cells you want to select. Or put your mouse on the above of the column you want to select, then click. Finally, how to select the whole table. First, click the table and a small icon will show up at the left up corner. Click that corner and you can select the whole table. At course 4.3, I will show you how to change the size of the cells. If you want to change the size of a cell, you have to change the width and the height of these cells. The vertical length is width, and the horizontal length is height. First, click the little icon to select whole table. Then click Layout tab. Find the cell size group. Type 2.5 cm in the height. Then Type 2.5 cm in the width. Then you will find that every cells turn into the right size. At course 4.4, I will show you how to type words in the cells. First, click the place you want to type and type some words inside. And you can also change the word style. First, click and drag through the text you want to select. Click Home tab. You can change the font, size, and words color. At course 4.5, I will show you how to center the content. First, select the whole table by click the little icon. And the table tools will show up. Click Layout tab. And find the alignments group. The original setting is line top left, but we want to center our content, so we click Align Center. Then the content will all at the center. At course 4.6, I will show you how to merge the cells. First, select the whole row of cells. And the table tools will show up. Click Layout tab. Find Merge Group. Click Merge Cells ribbon. And the selected cells will combine. At course 4.7, I will show you how to insert extra cells in table. If you want to insert an extra column or row in the table, first select the row. And the table tools will show up. Click Layout tab. Find the rows and columns groups. And click Insert Above ribbon. And you will find that a new row appears above the selected row. And you can also add a new row below the selected arrow by click Insert Below ribbon. And if you want to insert an extra column, first select a column and click Insert Right. A new column will appear on the right side of the selected column. And you can also insert the left side. At course 4.8, I will show you how to delete cells. First, select the cell you want to delete. And the table tools will show up. Click Layout tab. Find the rows and columns group. Click Delete ribbon. Click Delete Cells and click OK, and the selected cell will disappear. You can also delete a column by selecting a column or a cell. Click Delete Ribbon and click Delete Column option, and the selected column will disappear. Same as the delete the column, you can delete a row by selecting a row or a cell. Click Delete Ribbon and click Delete Row, and the selected row will disappear.